stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's
40 hertz. If your A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That constitutes.
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have
autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many?
So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, technically applied to any of the former.
there's green.